They wanna know what's happening. What's going on with that? What's going on with that? They wanna keep it together, cohesive like molecules. Hey, what's happening, man?
Cell phones are an everyday part of our lives, but are they as safe as we think they are? A man in Texas claims his cell phone actually exploded, sending him to the hospital for stitches. Aaron Embry was talking on his new Motorola Droid phone when he says he heard a pop. Seconds later, he was bleeding from his ear, and the screen of his Droid appeared to have burst open. Now, Motorola is investigating. Folks, it is rare, but cell phones can explode.
There are only two things which can cause phones to explode. One, your phone is faulty, or two, your battery is faulty. Actually, there is a third item that can influence the first two, and that would be your charger. Now, many of us have complained that chargers take a long time to charge, and most of the time we are very happy when our chargers charge our phones in a quick, short time.
Just because a charger fits doesn't mean that that current and that voltage is made for your phone.
How do you know if your charger is working properly? Well, I have a small tool which I want to introduce to you today. This is a USB checker, and it does two things. One, it tells you how many volts your charger is charging at, and it tells you how many amps your charger is charging at. If the output of your charger is too high, the possibility of your phone exploding is greater.
If that phone is getting too hot to a point where it becomes uncomfortable, that is an absolute red flag.
But if the output of your charger is too low, your phone takes a long time to charge. Now, I've introduced two words to you. One is a volt and the other is the ampere. But did you know that volt times ampere equals to watt? So we know that all USBs output a 5 volt. If the output is at 1 amp, then it is giving an output of 5 watts, because volt times amp equals watt. So the next time you charge your phone, try to get one of these. It will save you a lot of pain. So, to avoid exploding phones, use a USB checker.
Hey, what's happening, man?